How to fix Bluetooth won't turn on. I'm going to show you how you can fix this. First, click on the window icon at the bottom. Go to the settings by clicking on it. You will be able to see Bluetooth and device options. Here you can turn on or off the Bluetooth by enabling or disabling given here. Another way to fix this problem is to go to the window icon again. Search for the services option and click. After that, scroll down and you will find Bluetooth audio gateway option. Right-click and reach its properties. In the startup type, change the option to automatic. Here, click on OK and you'll be done. Apply the same thing with the other Bluetooth option to fix the problem. Another way to fix the problem is to search for troubleshooting. Click on other troubleshooters here. After that, you will find Bluetooth here. Hit on Run and it will show you the help center. Tell your problem and it will automatically fix your problem.